The third important civil service, it's not an all India service, it is central civil service. So under civil service examination, there are 17 central civil services, 13 group A and 4 group B. So when we are talking about Indian foreign service, so the Indian Foreign Service is a diplomatic arm of the Government of India under Group A, Central Civil Services. The Ministry of External Affairs is the cadre controlling authority. It was established in 1946, October 9. So October 9 is also the National Foreign Service Day, right? So the training academy, Sushma Swaraj Institute of Foreign Service in New Delhi, in the premises of Jawaharlal Nehru University, beside the the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building, External Affairs building. Okay, and the Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan Shringla, IFS, is the current and 33rd Foreign Secretary of India. He is the head of the affairs of IFS officers. You can see the cadre size as of March 2021. It's 996, and Group B IFS officers 4297 as per March 2021. These are the responsibilities of IFS officers. International, they serve under international organizations as a representative of India, and foreign policy formulation, international relations, diplomacy, as well as consular representation. Post-retirement Indian Foreign Service officers have held high offices including the President. Okay, for example, K.R. Narayanan. K.R. Narayanan was a diplomat. Vice President Dr. Muhammad Hamid Ansari. Governors of states and Speaker of Lok Sabha Meera Kumar was a diplomat. And cabinet ministers, like in present cabinet Minister of External Affairs was a diplomat, Jai Shankar, and Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas was also a diplomat, Hardeep Singh Puri. Okay. Now the service consisting of civil servants is entrusted with handling the foreign relations of India, provide consular services in other nations, in foreign nations, and mark India's presence in international organizations. It is the body of career diplomats serving in more than 160 Indian diplomatic missions abroad and international organizations around the world. In addition, they serve at the President's Secretariat, former Netherlands ambassador to Netherlands from India, Venu Rajamani. He was the press secretary to the President Pranab Mukherjee. So IFS officers also serve the President at the President's Secretariat, as well as the Prime Minister's office and at the headquarters of MEA in New Delhi in North Block. They also had the regional passport offices throughout the country and hold positions in several ministries on deputation. Sorry, not in North Block, it is in South Block. South Block. I think in North Block it is the Ministry of Home Affairs, as well as Ministry of Home Affairs. So in South Block you can see the headquarters of Ministry of External Affairs, Prime Minister's office, and Defense Ministry. near to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, so I can show you this in Google Earth. Okay, search Ministry of External Affairs of India. Let's we need to search. Let's see whether we will be able to find out. So where is Rashtrapati Bhavan? So in New Delhi, this is Rashtrapati Bhavan, right? This is Rashtrapati Bhavan, and you can see Mughal Garden, a very famous garden. This is the entrance of Rashtrapati Bhavan. You can see the north block here and south block here. So in front of Rashtrapati Bhavan, you can see north block. Here you can see Ministry of Home Affairs and other important offices, Central Board of Indirect Taxes, and in south block you can see Ministry of External Affairs, Defense, okay, and PMO, Prime Minister's Office, right? And in front of this Rashtrapati Bhavan, you can also see India Gate, Rajpath, as well as India Gate, where you'll be able to see the Republic Day parade in between Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate. Okay, and here you can see the Parliament of the country. It is very near to North Block. Okay, now so we are talking about Indian Foreign Service, and selection is through civil service examination and training at Sushma Swaraj Foreign Service Institute, and foundation course at initially a foundation course at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration at Mussoorie in Uttarakhand, and then they are trained at Sushma Swaraj Institute, Foreign Service Institute. It is located in the premises of Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. And you can see the passports. This is the official passport. This is the diplomatic passport. Okay. Government officials, other IFS offices are usually given official passports. An Indian diplomatic passport and an official passport, as opposed to the deep blue passport issued to ordinary Indian citizens. The diplomatic passport is maroon colored, this one, with diplomatic passport engraved on it in English and Hindi. Government officials, IFS officers are usually given official passports, white passport. And career and rank structure at Ministry of External Affairs, starting with Under Secretary position, Deputy Secretary, Director, Joint Secretary, Additional Secretary, Secretary, and Foreign Secretary of India. And at embassy level or High Commission level, Third Secretary, Second Secretary, promotion upon being confirmed in service. This is the entry level. Then First Secretary, Counselor, Chief Counselor, Deputy Chief of Mission, Deputy High Commission in case of High Commission, and Deputy Permanent Representative, Ambassador. This is the topmost position if you're talking about Indian embassies, Ambassador, and if it is a High Commission in regards to Commonwealth nations, High Commissioner and Permanent Representative in intergovernmental organizations or international organization like the United Nations. Okay, the representative will be titled as the permanent representative of India to the United Nations. Okay, By the same method, you will be able to, know more about other services like Indian Audit and Account Service, IA&AS, Indian Civil Accounts Service, ICAS, Indian Corporate Law Service, Indian Defense Accounts Service, Indian Defense Estates Service, Indian Information Service, Indian Postal Service, Indian P&T Accounts and Finance Service, Indian Railway Protection Force Service, Indian Revenue Service, Customs and Indirect Taxes, Indian Revenue Service, Income Tax, Indian Trade Service, Grade 3. So these are the services under the civil service examination, as well as Group B services. So we have mentioned about the Group A services under Central Civil Services. Now Group B services, Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Service, Delhi, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli. Civil Service, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli. Police Service, Pondicherry Civil Service. Okay.